Hi guys, in today's class we'll talk about how to use Bybit demo. Alright, how do you use free monies from Bybit? Now Bybit demo is a program which Bybit rolled out to help new traders or even old traders trade without their monies. It is free monies given out by Bybit that helps you learn to trade. Alright, now without wasting much of your time, let me show you how it works and of course what it looks like. Alright, so go straight to your Bybit device, and of course, you should be on the Bybit already. So I'm going to particularly open Bybit right now. Right now, I think this is not on so many exchanges, but it is currently on the Bybit app. Okay, so once you have your Bybit handy, what you have to do is to click on this area where you find more. Okay, now once you click on more, you just open it on this area, scroll down, and you can find the Bybit uh demo. Okay, I'm just going to check out for it. Go down and down and down and down and down. Okay, let me see if it has been taken out from this area. Okay, when you come to this buy crypto area, come to trade and look at this area where you find Bybit demo. Okay, demo trading. So when you come on this area, click on trade and click on demo trading. Okay, and then once you've done that, click on it. Okay, now when you come to this area, open your total assets, you can see you have around 206. Me, I have around $206,000 from Bybit. Now this is not withdrawable, you can only use it to trade. Okay, and of course this is how it looks like. You can trade both spot and futures. You can see trade. Okay, and you can click on trade, and here you can see that you can trade both spot and futures. Test all the strategies you want to test. Okay, now come on the asset area. When you come on the asset area, you can see your total balance. Look at this, the amount of USDT you have, amount of USDC, amount of BTC, amount of Ethereum. A lot of things are here. Okay, you can adjust demo funds. Now, let's say you want to start afresh, and maybe you want the money to, you can add more funds, you can reduce funds. Okay, you can add more, you can reduce the one you like. Okay, so let's say you want to add more funds, you want to add more USDT, you can add extra 100 by clicking on 100. Okay, you want to add USDC, add Ethereum, click on confirm, and it's immediately going to add it for you. You can see, very very easy. Okay, and if you want to reduce, of course you can click on reduce funds, and you can remove all the USDT you have. Okay, you can remove 50,000 USDT from your balance, and you can click on confirm, and of course you can see it has been removed. Okay, and this is how it works. Okay, so you can manage your trading and know how much you can grow. You can see the USDT has been reduced, so you can know how much you can grow when you use little funds to start trading. Okay, this borrow area, let's see what it looks like. You can actually click on borrow, and of course you can start your borrowing, but this is not really a big deal. You might never need this. Okay, so come on the trade section. This is the trade section, mind you. This is the trade section. Okay, so you can start trading. Click on buy, guys. When you click on buy, you can start doing your normal buy and sell. All right, remember you have just 100 USDT because we remove up to 50,000, so you can use any strategy you like and start buying. See if you're going to make some profit. Whatever works here on demo will certainly work on the real life scene. All right, so you can click on the chart. I taught you Bollinger Bands and how to use it. You can use this demo to check out anything you want, check out the strategy, see if you will make money from that. That is if you don't want to use your real money. Okay, this is very very amazing. Now the only problem with demo is that you don't have all the coins. You can see you have only Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Solana, USDC, Trump, BTC, MNT, Dodge, and Sui. Okay, so you have about, let's say, give or take, maybe 8 or 9 coins here. All right, 8 to 10 coins here. Okay, now you can, if you want to trade futures on demo, then you can switch to this area where you find derivatives. Okay, when you switch to derivatives, you can now see that you have futures trading, but futures is, the problem with futures is that it's also that you don't have to trade everything. You can see BTC futures, Ethereum. So if you want to learn how to trade futures on demo, you can come and long or short. You can find long, you can find short. So if you know how to trade futures, you can use this to practice on your futures, your with free monies, and you learn. Now, I'm going to teach you how to trade futures, and if you want to learn that, give this video a like, and I'll teach you how to trade futures on Bybit. All right. Now, also you can also learn how to use this to practice and learn so many strategies so that you can use it and try with your money in real life. Now, suppose you want to go out of this window, you can click on start live trading, and you're going to go straight to your normal Bybit trading workflow or your normal dashboard. Okay, and that is beautiful. So guys, this is everything you need to know about demo trading. It has free monies. Like I mentioned, if you click on assets, you can see your free monies. I showed you how to adjust funds, how to take out funds, or how to add. All right, I told you that you don't need the borrow area, and of course I told you that you can trade futures with it, and of course you can actually go back to your home. Okay, so this is practically demo. You cannot withdraw. It's just free monies to practice, and kudos to Bybit for doing this. We encourage other crypto apps to actually add to their own trading, add demo to their trading, to make it really helpful for a lot of both new traders and professional traders. All right, so this will be the end of this class, guys. If you have any questions regarding this demo, you can give us a you can ask questions in the comment section, or you text us via mail, or you text us via Telegram. Have a very wonderful day, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.